Introducing the GFS750 semi-automatic concrete cutter, your ultimate solution for efficient and precise cutting. It accommodates 600 mm to 800 mm blades with optional bore sizes of 25.4 mm or 50 mm. Delivering a maximum cutting depth of 250 mm to handle heavy-duty tasks with ease. Choose between gasoline or diesel engines for superior power and reliability. Experience faster cutting, higher efficiency, and effortless operation boost your productivity on every job site. Built tough for long-lasting performance, the GFS750 is your reliable partner for road construction, renovation, and demolition projects.